If you are in Italy and looking for a city that has it all, then come to Modena. I'm here in the Piazza Grande, which is framed by this beautiful 17th century Palazzo Comunale with its 18th century bell tower. But if it's Romanesque architecture that you're after, then you need to visit the Cathedral of Modena and its majestic bell tower, the Torre Ghirlandina. Or if it's fine dining you're after, then you can hit the 3-star Michelin Osteria Francescana, which was recently voted the best restaurant in the world. But good luck getting a reservation. If it's Baroque architecture that you're after, then you have the magnificent 17th century Ducal Palace, which was the seat of the ruling Este family of Modena. Or if it's opera you're after, then you can visit Modena's 19th century Teatro Comunale, which today is called the Teatro Comunale Pavarotti Freni, after two of Modena's most famous citizens, Luciano Pavarotti and the soprano Mirella Freni. But the most celebrated feature of the Cathedral of Modena is its bell tower, or campanile. It's known as the Torre Ghirlandina and stands about 87 meters, or 300 feet tall, and has become the symbol of the entire city of Modena. So if you're in Italy, be sure to visit Modena. And like the late, great Luciano here, be sure to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.